Welcome back, guys. I'm going to do a little recap on my P&L for the week, and I have gotten 2 withdrawals from Take Profit Trader this week, which brings my February up from being a down month to a positive month, a green month. Monday was a holiday half trading. It went all the way here. AM was stopped right here. Stop trading noon. Here reopened for Tuesday. The thing's gonna be messed up at the bottom, but here's going into Tuesday. I didn't really trade much Tuesday. I did catch a small play at the end of the day, or the beginning of the day. I meant just played my normal. Here's this yellow on. Yellow is 8:30 open. This is midnight, 1 hour before London on the candle open right here. See at the bottom is midnight. But I let it open, play these, all waited for these candles. This candle closed below. I just went ahead, popped a short here, played it for 15 points, and I basically called it a day off that. I didn't really trade too much. There wasn't too much to really trade. I didn't really like it. But as you can see with this delta right here, I'll have a better example for Wednesday, but here we're making new lows with higher delta, more bullish delta. This is still negative, but see how far this is down here? Like negative 15,000, and this is from right here. So we're making a new low with less selling pressure. Good sign of a reversal. See, this gave it what? Good 156 to 200. That's 50 points damn near. This type of indicator and entry, you don't want to hold it for big. It can turn into big moves, but playing it for just small 15, 20, 30 point reversals, it'll cash you heavy. That's my normal trading strategy. But let me go into my big day of Wednesday. London, we're selling off into open. Here I was feeding cows, so I wasn't on the charts at all. But previous day PM, we bounced around that area. And coming into this 8:30 level. Oh crap, I just moved it. Going into this 8:30 level, popped a short. My basic stop is always 15 points, but really you could just run your stop this high, which is 14.5, but it's close enough. Ran it for 15 points, got that. Here, this was more of an instinct play. There wasn't much really to indicator based. This was just me instinct. I've been trading for a fat minute, and this just consistent movement, pop up, sharp down. Didn't make a new low off here. Didn't make a new low off this candle. I entered off this one, targeting the top here. With once it breaks this level right here, once it breaks this right here, I put stop to break even and just ran it, which gave me 15 points. And I just ran stop this new low, which was only 5 points. So risking 5 for 15. I'll take that any day. And here's a delta divergence. And these lines don't come up until like after. So it's not like you're getting a perfect indicator. These don't pop up until like the price is down to here. But you can see it off the bars that it, let's say here, 8,000 on this candle. you had 8,700 on the CBD, making this high. And then we're making a new high off of only half that volume. It's not going to sustain that. So that's where I took my short. Stop 8 points right above the high. Right above this one. I took entry on this candle actually. More so down here. And I just ran that up there. I targeted 10 points only, but it should have, you could have held it for way more, just targeted back to the 830 level. But I was just trying to get a few trades in while I was working. Here's another little delta divergence that I played. Even and added confluence of the midnight level. Right here, the midnight level, which I normally would play short or candle close below or above for the 15 point stop loss, but the added confluence of less buying volume, buying delta coming into this, I was comfortable just setting a short here, running my normal system. I did tighten my SL up a little bit from 15 way up here to 10 because I didn't want to give back my gains for these 3 W's. So I tightened it up a little bit. I was really comfortable with it, with this going down and making a new high on this, coming into this level. There's 3 things right there. I was comfortable taking this. If I took an L on this, I would not have been mad. I would have taken this trade 100 times. I should have played this right here, but it was in the day and I was busy trying to get stuff done and I couldn't. But it's another good example right here. We got this bar candle, this candle high of 296. What exactly it is? 295 with 3,200 buying delta. And then we made this candle high with 299 with 1,500 buying. That's over half. And this would have been another comfortable short right here. You could easily just ran a 305, 310 stop loss and targeted this low right here. You keep doing that. It's an accident. But that is the indicator I do use for the time zones and stuff, and my midnight and open. I know it says ICT. I don't care for ICT, but I do like the indicator, making everything colored out for me. Makes it a lot easier. And even here's another example. Like I said, these lines don't pop up till after these candles are moved away from here. But if you pay attention to it, you can get some entries off of it if you're patient. Right here, we made this low of 218 off of how much? Selling pressure. Negative 8,100. And then we made this one of 215 off of 5,500. That would have been a beautiful long, even this blue line. This blue line is VWAP. I don't trade off VWAP, but I do like it as a good area, you know. But that would have been another good long of 15 points, 20 points, 30 points. Going into... See, but like you can't play it exactly. This is where I like just playing a good... But this is also after hours. I wouldn't follow this after hours. Buying is weird after hours anyway, in my opinion. But here, this day, I filed for a withdrawal. So I was waiting for Take Profit Trader to take the money out of my account all through the day. So I missed all of this, but it would have been a beautiful trade, shorting this, taking it down. Here, I think I got the withdrawal around like noon. So I played into this right here. I played into this one right here with this pushing up off of way less buying pressure. I took this short for a little 15. I didn't mark it out because I just got on chart. for today. And here's another one. This one took a little bit more time to develop, but it did in the end play out. Yeah, I only took, I think this trade, that's all I took at the end of the day. But at the end of the week, I did end up with a $1,400 withdrawal through Take Profit Trader, and thankful for the process that has gotten me here. But this year has been just very conscious. Stay in the trade, trust your process. If you take a loss, it's okay. There's another trade coming. If I take an L day, it's okay. There's another day to trading tomorrow. Market's always going to be there. But this is my recap for the week. Not a bad week. Hopefully next week continues and does well. Hopefully Friday treats me well. But I'll probably cut sizing in half just to protect my week of winning. Okay, this is my trading balance of the week. This was, here we go. This was 14th, 17th, took a couple trades. My $200, 18th. I did upsizing with my more confident trades. Ran up 1,500. Did withdraw. Right here is my withdrawal that I was waiting on, and I did receive it of $1,400 for the second. That this week was on par, and Q didn't do none of the dumb stuff. But trust process, stay with it, stay disciplined to your rules, and in the end, hopefully you prevail. If you do have an edge in the market, you will win in the end. If there's an edge and you follow your rules. Hope everything was understandable. Have any questions? Let me know. Peace out.